Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to watch videos with friends at the same time. Watching videos with friends through Discord and Windows is a popular way to share movies, shows, and online videos together in real time. Discord screen sharing and voice chat features allow everyone in the call to watch the same content at the same time. A stable internet connection and correct audio settings help create smoother playback and better synchronization. To begin, download and install Discord on your Windows computer if it is not already installed. Open Discord and sign in to your account or create a new account. Add your friends on Discord using their usernames or invite links. Create a server or open an existing server where you want to watch videos together. Join a voice channel inside the server. Ask your friends to join the same voice channel before starting the video. Open the video, movie, or streaming service you want to share on your computer. Return to Discord and click the Share Your Screen button near the bottom left corner. Select the application window, browser tab, or your entire screen that contains the video you want to stream. Choose the streaming quality and frame rate settings available for your Discord account. Click Screen Share to start streaming the video to everyone in the voice channel. Enable audio sharing so your friends can hear the video sound during the stream. Use voice chat or text chat while watching the video together with your friends. Adjust stream quality, audio settings, or internet connection settings by clicking this option. If the video becomes laggy, delayed, or out of sync during playback. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.